Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. Slice 3 large potatoes in half lengthwise. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. Rub some olive oil over the tops of the potatoes. Dried marjoram. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Rub some vegetable or olive oil all over the baking dish. Place the potatoes in the baking dish. Bake for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add some olive oil or vegetable oil. "300 grams, 0.6 pounds, of ground meat. Subscribe to the channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. I'm making ground turkey today. One onion. Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds, improve metabolism and support heart health. Ground turkey is often considered a healthier alternative to ground beef because it usually contains less saturated fat and mild flavor. Chilling onions before cutting helps reduce tears. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Add the onion to the ground turkey. Three garlic cloves. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Garlic can help repel mosquitoes because of the sulfur compounds it releases through the skin after eating. Sauté the ground meat with onion and garlic. One bell pepper. Bell peppers contain vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants that support eye health. Sweet peppers come in different colors, each with a unique flavor. Turkey is a lean meat that's high in protein and low in fat. Please subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work. Add pepper to the ground meat. Cooked turkey mince with vegetables is rich in protein, vitamins, and fiber. Add paprika and dried thyme. Mix everything thoroughly. Add salt and black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix everything thoroughly. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Add parsley to the ground meat. The ground meat is ready. Grate 70 grams of cheese, about 2.5 ounces. Carefully scoop out the inside of each potato. Did you know that potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space? Fill the potatoes with the meat filling. The potato was first domesticated in the Andes of South America about 7,000 years ago. Layer the cheese on top of the ground meat filling. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees C, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes. 1 bell pepper. Bell peppers are technically fruits, not vegetables, because they contain seeds. Red bell peppers have more than twice the vitamin C of green ones. Tomato. Tomatoes contain vitamins, antioxidants, lycopene, support heart health and immunity. Tomatoes help keep your skin healthy. Cucumber. Cucumber hydrates the body, supports skin health, aids digestion, is low in calories, and contains antioxidants and vitamins. Dill. Dill improves digestion and has a mild sedative effect. Add salt. Mozzarella cheese balls. Lemon juice. Add juice to the olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon French mustard and 1 teaspoon honey to the olive oil. Drizzle the salad with the dressing. Salad is good for your gut. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. It already looks so delicious, I love it. Let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.